Good morning students. Today we will do question number first of exercise 9.1. So the first question is list 5 rational numbers between -1 and 0. So it is the same as example number 4. We have to find 5 rational numbers between these two integers -1 and 0. So first step is converting each of the rational numbers as a denominator 5 plus 1. Because we have to find 5 rational numbers. So the first step is we have to add 1 to 5. So 5 plus 1 is 6. Now we have to convert both of these integers into fraction having denominator 6. So -1 multiplied and divided by 6 by 6, and again 0 is multiplying with 6 by 6. So -1 into 6 is -6 and denominator is 6 as it is. 0 into 6 0, denominator 6. Now you can see here denominator 6 is same in both of this fraction. So it is like fraction. Now you can see here numerator is -6 and the numerator is 0. So between 0 and -6, there are how many numbers exist? -5 by 6, -4 by 6, -3 by 6, -2 by 6 and -1 by 6. Alright. So the next second part is -2 and -1. Again the same step, converting each of the rational number as a denominator 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. So -2 is multiplying and dividing by 6, and -1 is also again multiplying and dividing by 6. So it is -12 by 6 and the second is -6 by 6. Now they both are like fraction. Now we have to check how many numbers are like between this -12 and -6. So -7, -8, -9, -10, -11. Alright. So the first fraction is -11 by 6, -10 by 6, -9 by 6, 8 by 6, -7 by 6. So these are the 5 rational numbers lying between -2 and -1. Third part is -4 by 5 and -2 by 3. So denominator is different here. Here denominator is 5 and here is 3. So the first step is you have to taking LCM of 5 and 3. So the LCM is how much? 15. Now you have to converting both of the denominator of this rational number fraction into 15. So the first is -4 by 5 multiplying and dividing by 3. So it is -12 by 15, and the second -2 by 3 is multiplying and dividing by 5. So again its denominator is 15 and the numerator is how much? -2 5 is -10. So now you can see here 15 15, denominator is same, so it is like fraction. But between -12 and -10 there exists only one number, that is -11. But we have to find how many rational numbers? 5. So the next step is you have to write the multiple of this -12 by 15. Now you have to write equivalent fraction to this -12 by 15. So -12 to the 24 and 15 to the how much? 30. Clear? -10 to the -20 and 15 to the 30. Now the again denominator is same, but between -24 and -20 there are again how many numbers exist? 3. -21, -22, -23. 3 rational numbers, but we have to find how many? 5 rational numbers. So you have to write the multiple of 3 here. -12 into 3, how much? -36. 53 is 45. -10 is -30 and 53 is 45. Now between -36 and -30 there are 5 numbers exist. -31, -32, -33, -34 and -35. So we are having 5 rational numbers which are -31 by 45, -32 by 45, -33 by 45, -34 by 45 and -35 by 45. Clear friends? Again fourth part is same as the third part. Denominator here is 2 and denominator is 3. So we have to take an LCM of 2 and 3, that is 6. Now you have to converting both of this fraction into which denominator is 6. So the first is -3 by 6 and the second is 4 by 6. So between -3 and 4 there are so many numbers exist. We have to take only 5. So which are -2 by 6, -1 by 6, 1 by 6, 2 by 6, 3 by 6. You can also write as 0 by 6. Alright, 0 by 6 is also a rational number. Clear student? So this is your question number first. question number second. Write 4 more rational numbers in each of the following patterns. So there are 4 parts. The first is minus 3 by 5, minus 6 by 10, minus 9 by 15, minus 12 by 20. So you have to find the next more 4 patterns. You have to write the 4 patterns. So the first is you have to check here the first rational number. So the first rational number is minus 3 over 5. So you have to write the multiple of this 3 in this sequence order. So 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24. Now you can see here negative sign comes here in all this rational number. So you have to put a negative sign. Now you can check the denominator of the first rational number. Here denominator is 5, so you have to write the multiples of 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 25, 5 8s are 40. So the next second part is again same. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, multiple of 1. Next is minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. And the denominator says 4, you have to write the multiple of 4. 4 1s are 8, 4 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 20, 22, 23. Next third part is minus 1 over 6, 2 over minus 12. So you can see here negative sign written in the numerator and negative sign written in the denominator. So it doesn't matter whether you can write the negative sign in numerator or in denominator. So the numerator is a multiple of 1. 1 1s are 1, 2s are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Write the negative sign in the numerator. And the denominator is multiple of 6. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 36, 42, 48. Next, last part is again same. You can see here the first number is 2, minus 2 by 3, 2 by minus 3. It is the same number. Alright. Next is 4. Here number is 6. So what is the next pattern? So the first rational number and the second rational number, they both are having same. Either you can write minus 2 by 3 or 2 by minus 3. It's the same thing. So in the numerator you can just write the multiple of 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 10, 12, 14. And the negative sign whether you can write in the numerator or in denominator. And the denominator is the multiple of 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 15, 18, 21. Alright, children. So this is your question number second. Next, third question. Give 4 rational numbers equivalent to. So what is equivalent? Equivalent means equal, or you can say same. So the first is minus 2 by 7. You have to find 4 more rational number which is equivalent to this minus 2 by 7. So you have to write the multiple of this minus 2 by 7. In the numerator you have to write the multiple of 2 and in the denominator write the multiple of 7. So the numerator is a multiple of 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. And the denominator is multiple of 7. 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, and 7 5s are 35. And put a negative sign in all these rational numbers. Again, second part is same. In the numerator, write the multiple of 5. And denominator, write the multiple of 3. And put the negative sign. The last third part is 4 by 9. And its equivalent fractions are 8 by 18, 12 by 27, 16 by 26 and 20 by 45. Okay students, so this is your question number 3.